Yeah.
All right then. Okay, so we're going to do some musical triggers.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Have you done any before?
I've self-tranced to music, but I don't think anyone else has tranced me to respond to music before.
Okay. I think we all self-chant to music, don't we? It does take us to places and triggers memories, and we
Mm,
can change our mood and stuff with music all the time.
100%. Yeah.
So, but this is a bit different. So this is more immersive. So what I'm going to do with your consent is take you down into hypnosis so that help you to go into hypnosis, because we all know that you're doing the hypnosis, I'm just facilitating it,
Mm-hmm.
but into a nice wonderful state, and then kind of really allow your mind to kind of get this kind of idea and feel that your mind body connection can become much stronger, so you can be immersed in music, if you like. And then what we can do is allow you to listen to some music and then just see how that moves through your body in different ways. So I'm going to use some classical music, but you can use any kind of music to do this. But just so you can kind of get a feel for different instruments, you can maybe notice how different instruments and things will affect your body. So if you're happy with that, I'll help you to go down and we can
Sounds
have a
super
play with it.
fun. Yeah,
Have a
let's do
play
it.
with it. Okay. All right. So if you just take a nice comfortable breath in for me. And as you breathe out, you can just allow your eyes to close. And then you can open your eyes again, take another deep breath. And as you breathe out, just allowing your eyes to close down. And then taking another deep breath and eyes opening again. It gets harder each time, doesn't it? And then as you breathe out, just allowing your eyes to close. And you can keep doing that with your eyes opening and closing until it gets harder and harder and harder, until eventually it's just easier and more comfortable. Just to stay there in that nice, calm, comfortable place with your eyes closed. That's right. Harder and harder and harder. That's right. Just feels so good to breathe out, to drop down each time a little deeper, a little further. That's right. That flickering of the eyelids. And you can just relax your eyes now and feel that calm comfort moving down through your entire body, from the top of your head all the way down to the tips of your toes. Just noticing how good that feels, how wonderful that feels. That's right. Wonderful, wonderful feeling, drifting down and down and down. Now, in a moment, I'm going to count down from 5 down to 0. And as I count down from 5 down to 0, you can feel yourself going deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper, deeper down into this wonderful, wonderful feeling of hypnosis. That's right. You know how good that feels. And as I count down, your mind and body connection can feel stronger and stronger and stronger. In particular, the way your body reacts to sounds, to music, so that you can feel music in every cell, every muscle, every part of your body. As if your body, as I count down from 5 down to 0, just becomes more and more receptive to music. That's right. As if your body will be able to speak the music, different parts of your body being able to speak the music of each instrument you hear. That's right. Perhaps wondering, as I count down, just where you will feel the music in your body, how it will feel. The only thing I can tell you is it will feel good. It will feel wonderful. It will feel amazing to feel the beauty, the power of music and sound moving through your body in such a profound and wonderful way. So ready, 5, going deeper. That's right, just feeling that mind-body connection, becoming stronger and stronger, as if your body can become a speaker and an amplifier for how your mind reacts to music. That's right. 4, drifting down. 3, letting go. 2, 1, down to 0. And I'm just going to do that countdown all over again so that you can hear me count down from 10 down to 0 and feeling your body becoming more and more ready to feel, to express, to enjoy, to feel all the music moving through your muscles, through your nerves in the most joyous and beautiful way. So ready, 10, drifting down. 9, that's right, perhaps a tingling of anticipation of how good music will feel. It might feel so good that you can see colors and experience music in a whole new and wonderful way. 8, 7, deeper and deeper. 6, 5, going down into a place where you can become completely immersed in beautiful sound. 5, 4, deeper and deeper still. Just noticing how the melodic tones of my voice can even have a wonderful effect. 3, 2, just knowing this will feel so wonderful, so pleasurable, so amazing, all the way down to 1 and 0 now. And just allowing your body, your mind to feel, to react, each part of your body reacting differently, a pleasurable feeling, different sounds, different instruments in different places, allowing yourself to become completely immersed in this wonderful music. Excellent. That's right. All right. All right, nice deep breath in, just drifting down and down and down. Just allowing yourself just to know that you can become immersed in music. And it's whenever you choose, whenever you want, in any way that's appropriate for the place and time that you are at. But you can allow yourself to feel music with every part of your body whenever you need to, so that you can change your mood, lift your mood, feel joy. Joy in music you already love being taken to bigger and further and more magnificent levels. So as I count up now from 1 all the way up to 10, the count of 8, you can open your eyes. The count of 10, fully awake, alert, feeling fine. So ready. 1, 2, 3, lighter and lighter. 4, 5, 6, brighter. 7, 8, eyes opening up, 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 up. 9, 10, nice big stretch.
Oh, that was so fun. Oh, I feel so lovely. I feel very like, yeah, definitely a serotonin explosion just then. It was lovely.
Serotonin explosions are good things to have, I think.
100%. I'm trying to think of how to describe it. With the final piece. So the first one was very like it was just like yum yum yum. So just like very tingly skin and kind of like nice feelings, warm and kind of like inviting and sensual. And then the second one, obviously because it's so familiar as well, my brain was like, oh shoot. And when I'm being tickled, I think that's where my brain went maybe because I'm very sensitive to being tickled. And I think the moment before I'm tickled is almost like, it's got that feeling to it. It's a bodily feeling for me.
Yeah.
And then the kind of moment of like, "Ah," and it's a nice feeling, but it's an intense feeling. But as that went into the final set of the, and then it kind of goes and expands,
Yeah.
it kind of went through that to the like, it was like the feeling of having laughed with friends for a long time in my body, like, and then a sort of erotic kind of dawning that was very lovely.
An erotic dawning. I like the sound of
Erotic dawning. I know, I have a way with words, Kaz, some people say.
that.
But
I'm stealing that. I'm totally stealing that.
do it.
Yeah.
But I'm just yeah. You can see the smile of it. I feel so good. It was like
Good.
yeah, it's a little dose of sunshine. Oh, I feel so nice now.
Good. That might be a good one. Walking on sunshine. I'm walking on
Oh
sunshine.
yeah, that'd be cute.
Yeah, all different kinds of. That's the beauty of this is you can use obviously music people have never heard before, but actually if it's familiar to them and it's something that they already like or they already know,
Yeah.
then their anticipation is in there as well. And it's just
yeah,
like
anticipation is so yummy. Like and I mean that piece of music plays with anticipation anyway because it's repetitive and but it's building on itself. But
absolutely.
oh, I feel so good.
Thank you for doing that. Thank you for doing that. I'm gonna